First Minister, in 2012, you denied announcing to the South Wales Echo that the green fields around Cardiff would be built on as part of Labour's so-called local development plan. Your Labour colleagues stood in the green fields, and I quote, "For the record, Labour does not want to build in Waterhall fields or on any green spaces." Now, those fields are now being built on, and the beautiful countryside around Danes Court will also be built on unless we can stop it. People in Cardiff were misled. Do you now accept that those green fields are being built on? And it's happening because Labour gave these massive housing corporations the permission to do it.
Well, his position's always been quite curious. I don't think I've ever announced anything to the Echo at any point in time. Secondly, I am not, nor have I ever been the leader of Cardiff City Council, and in 2012 I was not the planning minister, so I could not anyway give any kind of permission for development in Cardiff or anyone else in Wales. That's self-evident. But it is important that local authorities, of course, are able to try to manage the demand. The reality is that lots of people want to live in Cardiff. It's hugely important that the city is able to manage that demand, but also, of course, to work with authorities around Cardiff in order to manage the demand so people can live elsewhere as well. The idea that that local authorities should only plan for people who live and work in their own area is clearly ridiculous, because that's not the way it works in terms of the economy, and nor should it work in terms of the planning system, which is why SDPs are important.
Next. What have you got?
This little wooden puppet.
I'm not a puppet. I'm a real boy.